So question number 11 from exercise 9.5. Question is x plus y into dy plus x minus y into dx is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 when x equals to 1. We have to solve it by using homogeneous differential equation form. So first of all, we have to change in homogeneous form. So we can write it as x plus y into dy equals to minus x minus y into dx. Now dy by dx equals to, we can write it as y minus x by x plus y. Now in homogeneous form, if we have to change, so we can write it as dy by dx and we'll take x common from numerator and denominator. So we will have here y by x minus 1 by x common 1 plus y by x. Now it is x we can reduce, so we'll have here y by x minus y by x to the power 0 divisible by y by x to the power 0 plus y by x. So you can see each term is in the form of y by x. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Now for solving homogeneous differential equation, we are knowing we have to use y equals to vx. So I am applying here, giving this y by x as equation 1 and here it is as equation 2. Now differentiating it. So after differentiating, we are getting dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. This is equation 3. Now we have to put equation 2 and 3 value in equation 1. So when we are putting, we were having, so here dy by dx, in place of dy by dx, we can write v plus x dv by dx and then y by x we'll write as v minus 1 by 1 plus v. So we'll calculate it. So here x dv by dx equals to v minus 1 by 1 plus v minus v. This v I'm taking it right inside and then calculating it. So v minus 1 minus v square by 1 plus v. So it is x dv by dx equals to this value. Minus 1 minus v square by 1 plus v. Now we'll separate, variable separable form we will use, means we'll write v with dv and x with dx. So we'll write it as 1 plus v by 1 plus v square into dv equals to minus dx by x. Now we'll integrate both sides. So after integrating, we are getting integration of 1 plus v by 1 plus v square into dv equals to minus integration of dx by x. Then just we will write it as dv for 1 by 1 plus v square plus v by 1 plus v square dv. 1 plus v square plus integration of v dv by 1 plus v square minus integration of dx by x. So here we'll know that this is form of tan inverse. So we'll write it as tan inverse v plus, and then here we have to use substitution method because directly we can't find out integration here. So we have to use your substitution method. So we'll write it as let 1 plus v square equals to t, then 2v dv equals to dt. So we can write according to this form. So v dv equals to dt by 2. So dt by 2 into t equals to, this is minus log of mod x. And then constant we'll write, that is plus c. So we can write it as tan inverse V plus this is 1 by 2 log of mod t equals to minus log mod x plus c. So we'll write it as tan inverse V value will apply, V value that is y by x, and here t value also, so t value is 1 plus v square equals to minus log of mod x plus c, and after that v value will apply, tan inverse y by x plus 1 by 2 log of mod 1 plus y square by x square equals to minus log mod x plus c. So LCM will take here. So after taking LCM, we'll have here 2 tan inverse y by x plus log of mod x square plus y square by x square equals to minus log mod x plus c. So I'm taking this 2 in right hand side. So finally, we'll be having here 2 tan inverse y by x plus log of mod x square plus y square by x square equals to minus 2 log mod x plus 2c. Now we can write here form log of m by n, that is log of m minus log of n. So 2 tan inverse y by x plus log of mod x square plus y square minus log mod of x square equals to minus 2 log mod x. So minus 2 log mod x, we can write it as minus log mod x whole square. So according to that, I'm writing plus 2c. So here these two are equal, so we can reduce these two. So finally we are getting here 2 tan inverse y by x plus log of mod x square plus y square equals to 2c. So this is the general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation, but we have to find out your particular solution, not general solution. Means we have to find out value of c after applying x and y values. So we'll apply here. Now we will apply value of x and y, x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So I'm applying 2 tan inverse 1 plus log of mod 1 plus 1. So it is equals to 2c. So finally 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4 plus log of mod, log 2 equals to 2c. So we can write it as 2c equals to pi by 2 plus log 2. Now we'll apply this value of 2c in this form in equation 3. So applying value of 2c in equation 3. So 2 tan inverse y by x plus log of mod x square plus y square equals to pi by 2 plus log 2. So this is the required particular solution of the differential equation. Today I am going to start linear differential equations. This year in your syllabus, linear differential equation is not there. But for knowledge purpose, I am going to discuss here linear differential equations. So a differential equation is linear if the dependent variable means y, and its derivative means dy by dx, with the first degree only. Means if a differential equation will write in this form dy by dx plus py equals to q. You can see this is the derivative of y with respect to x, and here p into y equals to q, where p and q both are functions of x or constants. So example I have written here dy by dx plus 2y equals to sin x. So here p is 2 and q is sin x. So p is a constant and q is a function of x. So this is linear differential equation form. So whenever we have to solve linear differential equation, so we have to use one factor that is called integrating factor. So I'm going to discuss that. So linear differential equations are solved when they are multiplied by a factor, and which is called integrating factor. Why it is called integrating factor? Because by multiplication of this factor, this is the general form dy by dx plus py equals to q. When we are multiplying with this factor in left hand side, then differential equation becomes, means this form becomes exact differential of some function. So I'm showing it, multiplying both sides of this form, equation 1 I'm giving, by e to the power integration of p dx. So that integrating factor I'm going to multiply in this form. So when we are multiplying both sides by integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx, then we are getting e into integration of p dx into dy by dx plus e integration of p dx into py equals to q into e to the power integration of p dx. Now this value we can write in this form, d by dx y into e to the power integration of p dx, because when we will find out derivative of this one, y into e to the power integration of p dx, then derivative of y, that will be dy by dx, and we'll take it as constant e to the power integration of p dx, plus then we'll take y as constant and then find out derivative of this part, means e to the power integration of p dx, that is p into e to the power integration of p dx. So after this we can write this value like that, and right hand side the same, q into e integration of p dx. Now after that we'll integrate both sides. When we are integrating both sides, then after integrating integration, so we'll reduce it. So we are getting y into e to the power integration of p dx equals to integration of q into e to the power integration of p dx plus c. So this is the value we are getting. So this is the required solution, where c is the constant of integration, and here e to the power integration of p dx is called integrating factor. So whenever we have to find out solution of any linear differential equation, so always we have to use this form. We can use it directly, or we can multiply both sides and then we can calculate it. So finally we can write it as, in a general form, we were having y e to the power integration of p dx equals to integration of q into e to the power p dx into dx plus c. So we can write it as y into this, we have take as integrating factor. The integrating factor we can write it as if, and then integration of q into, this is again integrating factor, if into dx plus c. So this is the form. This is the solution of linear differential equation. So I'm going to write here steps. By using that we can find out solution of linear differential equations. So working rule is that first step is find the write the differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. If equation is not in this form, then we have to write in this form, dy by dx plus py equals to q, and then we have to write p and q values. Now second step is find integrating factor. We have to find out integrating factor, where integrating factor equals to e to the power integration of p dx. Then step 3 is multiply both sides of equation in step 1 by integrating factor. In equation 1, this is equation 1, we have to multiply both sides by integrating factor. And after that, in the step 4, we have to integrate both sides. And after integrating, we can get this form, means this is the solution, required solution of the differential equation. So I'm taking one example based on this so that it will be clear for you all. Question I've written, solve the differential equation. In the differential equation, it will be not written that you have to solve by which method. Means it's your wish which method you will be using. It depends on the form. Here you can see dy by dx minus y by x equals to 2x square. So we can write properly in the form of linear differential equation form. Means dy by dx, we can write it as plus into minus 1 by x into y. Linear differential equation we are knowing dy by dx plus py equals to q. So, and then right hand side is 2x square. So here we have p is minus 1 by x and q is 2x square. Now it is linear differential equation form. Now we'll find out integrating factor. So integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx. So we'll apply here e to the power p is here minus 1 by x into dx. So we'll be finding your value. This is e to the power minus log x. So we can write it as e to the power log of x to the power minus 1. So finally e and log will reduce. So finally we'll have here x to the power minus 1 means 1 by x. So here integrating factor, that is 1 by x. Now we have to multiply both sides by integrating factor, or directly also we can use by the form. We have discussed one form. This was. So here in this form, if we will apply integrating factor and then we'll solve it, then also we'll get the solution. So I'm applying in this form only. Y into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So y into integrating factor, that is 1 by x, and integration of q will have, that is 2x squared, and integrating factor, that is 1 by x into dx plus c. Now we'll calculate it. So here I'm getting y by x equals to 2 integration of x dx. So finally y by x equals to 2x square by 2 plus c. Then we can calculate it. After calculation we can get here y equals to x cube plus cx. So this is the required solution of the linear differential equation. One more form is there in linear differential equation, that is dx by dy plus px equals to q, where p and q are functions of y or constants. So example I am taking for this in this form, dx by dy plus x by y equals to 2y. So here dx by dy plus 1 by y, that is function of y, and then 2y, that is also function of y. So working rule, I'm going to discuss how to solve this form. So process is same, just in place of x will apply y, in place of dx will apply dy. So here first of all we will write differential equation in this form, dx by dy plus px equals to q, and then we'll find out p and q, and after that we'll find out integrating factor e integration of p dy. In the previous form, we were having e integration of p dx. Here we have to find out e integration of p dy. Now we'll multiply both sides by integrating factor, or directly we can find out by this form solution of the linear differential equation. The form is x into integrating factor equals to integration of q into integrating factor dy plus c, where c is a constant. So I'm going to discuss one question based on this form also. So the question is, solve y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equals to 0. So if we have to solve in the form dx by dy, so we'll convert it first in the form of linear differential equation. So we can write it as y dx equals to x plus 2y square into dy. Means the second part I am taking in right hand side, and after that dx by dy, this dy I am taking here in denominator of left hand side, and then x plus 2y square by y. Now dx by dy equals to x by y plus 2y. So finally here we can write dx by dy minus of plus minus of 1 by y into x equals to 2y. So here this is the form. We were having form dx by dy plus px equals to q, where p and q are functions of y or constants. So here p will write, p we are getting that is minus 1 by y, and q we have that is 2y. Now we'll find out integrating factor. So e integration of p dy. So e integration of minus 1 by y dy. So yeah, it is integration of this is minus log y. So e to the power log y to the power minus 1. So finally y to the power minus 1. So integrating factor here we are getting that is y to the power minus 1 or 1 by y. Now we'll apply this integrating factor value in the form so that we can get required solution. So we'll have that form x into integrating factor equals to integration of q integrating factor dy plus c. So x into integrating factor was 1 by y equals to integration of q we were having 2y into integrating factor 1 by y into dy. Now we'll calculate it. So finally x by y equals to 2 integration of dy plus c. So x by y equals to 2y plus c. And then x equals to 2y square plus cy. So this is the required solution of the given linear differential equation.